Why analytics really do matter. Hi, my name is Bruce. As an IT professional, I get asked a lot from business leaders if analytics really matters when it comes to driving digital transformation and a smart manufacturing enterprise. If you're wondering if analytics really do matter to your digital transformation efforts, take a look at these areas where analytics really matter to your business. Section 1. Critical upgrades. For most business operations, the starting point of data use today is simple metrics with nice displays to show the current state of affairs. In reality, very little live data moves from operational systems into outside plant data stores. However, that's about to change, and it's what will drive deep value and prescriptive control from live analytics. This is the opportunity that drives the shift in focus from metrics to analytics. Section 2. Operational architecture. One of the trends over the last few years has been the advent of cloud computing, first to the enterprise and now gradually to the plant. Defining the edge is difficult because it depends heavily on the company's initial viewpoint. A company that makes computers for corporate data centers will view computers and systems that sit in the plant as edge systems. On the other hand, a pump manufacturer would perceive the pump's controllers as edge systems, and everything higher up the control hierarchy and beyond is on-premise. Either of these perspectives, though, is an excellent starting point to manage data placement if the architecture is to remain somewhat faithful to the standard that has served operational technology leaders and technologies well over the last few decades. Section 3. People analytics. Research results reveal an interesting correlation between continuous improvement programs and digital tools. The effect is exactly the opposite of what typical continuous improvement leaders believe. In fact, the research shows two closely related correlations about those who digitally transform the continuous improvement programs compared to traditionalists. Those that digitally transform continuous improvement are much more likely to be using advanced analytics such as predictive and prescriptive analytics, as well as running analytics in the cloud and at the edge. Section 4. Recommendations. It's tempting for operations people to skip the first two stages of the digital transformation framework, but doing so makes it difficult to set the right path. Aligning with strategic objectives is a fundamental requirement for any enterprise that wants to succeed. When top management sets the direction and translates it into near-term and long-term goals, it sets the stage to drive success with digital transformation. If you're wondering why analytics really matter for your digital transformation efforts, try setting objectives, choosing a good team, or planning for the long term without analytics and see just how far you can get. If you want to learn why analytics really do matter, click the link below for more information.